First of all, I think it's very important to present LSG as a group. I think the main force of LSG is to leverage on the different brands, and this is what we do on a daily basis with the train business. We leverage on Spirit, on culinary excellence, on retail in motion for the IT, and this is a real strength for us.
Very exciting year this year because we have presented 2 years ago also in 2016. Since there we have been able to be growing a lot in the train segment. And this year we're very proud of course, the sales trolley that we have prepared today. This is now in place for 2 of our main customers in France and also generating additional revenue by more or less 40% compared to last year. But besides that, we're also presenting a lot of new innovative items, like with our partner Spirit, where we show amenity kits and other items that the customers can take advantage on trains, as well as some excellent food prepared by our chefs, which are also traveling on our different customers.
Was mir gefällt an der Zusammenarbeit mit der LSG ist ihr Mut zur Innovation und ihre Disziplin bei der Exekution.
Knowing what the passenger wants means for us to increase passenger satisfaction, both on the retail side, when you know what kind of item, product passengers want, you better load your trains. As you know, the train has very limited storage spaces on board, so we need to be sure the quantities of the various items are loaded to the optimum to be able to increase and to enlarge the retail business.
The plans for the train segments for LSG Group is very much related with our pledge for this InnoTrans. So whatever the positioning of our customers, whether eco, business first, we leverage on our tools and experience to enrich and to increase, to maximize, to reach the maximal potential of the customer experience on board.